Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Phpmyadmin version and immediately backing up config. Inc. PHP and the entire themes directory. This avoids rollback pain. Next, access the server through SSH or your host's file manager to work directly in the installation path. Once you have the theme zip, either upload it to the server or place it in a local working folder. This makes extraction and permissions work straightforward and reproducible. Now extract the theme into Phpmyadmin's themes directory, keeping the folder name exact. Wrong names break selection. Make sure ownership and permissions mirror other themes, typically 755 for folders and 644 for files, since incorrect permissions block PHP from reading assets. Then edit config. Inc. PHP to enable the theme manager if needed and set the default theme name. This ensures Phpmyadmin will list and load the new theme on the next page load. Finally, clear your browser cache and reload Phpmyadmin to verify the new theme appears and looks correct. Use the theme selector in the UI to toggle if necessary. If styles or images are missing, open the browser console to spot 404 errors, then confirm the theme path and permissions. Those are the usual culprits. If something breaks, restore your backed up config. Inc. PHP and Themes folder. Make sure to test changes on a staging site before applying to production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.